Boom. We're in the countryside, back with another vlog. First vlog in a minute. We're shooting another music video. For Leo. We're doing it big. Back on another shoot today. We're going to shoot a music video. Luke and Leo are off there collecting firewood. I'm gonna go up there and start helping them, but pretty much back with another vlog, shooting a music video. I'm pretty tired, pretty high. We're in the country, basically the countryside of England. And let's go. Let's go. Build up the pile, build up the pile. I'll be pile manager. On the side it is. Whoa! Whoa! Oh shit! Hey bro, seriously, I don't mean to take you out.
Looks like you got a little fire on your hands here, Jack.
We are actually killing this shit right here. This fire is taller than me right here.
I don't wanna see you, no, you nightmare. Whoa, I believe you can go. Nightmare. Whoa, I believe you can go.
One shot down, multiple to go. Been here for about an hour and it's like 10:44 right now. We've been here for actually like just an hour and a half actually.
Yeah.
So let's get to it.
Picking up the toolbox, paying for the full cost, stitching what I lost. Trying to live in the present, but keep getting caught with the past. Nah, the line isn't ending.
I'm blind, but I'm going still.
Aim to last, wanted to pass. Need to get ripping and great with this mask. Maybe one day they will go. Maybe I can finally end the show. And guess as a consequence of my treasons, made my choices, so gotta pay fees. I know my life in Hades be patiently waiting for me. With dark demons and angels, there's something up after the dark.
Internal temperature is too high. Been shoving the camera in the fire a little bit too much.
Fire,
it's just stopped. Yeah, it stopped. It's I mean, this the clip I saved. Left the fire spot on the walk into the forest. Kind of spooky. A little bit. Headed to spot number 2. Well, there's a bike trail up here. We want you in the middle of the trees. No, you can't see the path at all. There's been 2 slips by Leo, 1 almost slipped by Luke. This is a dangerous hill. We're gonna see what happens. There you go, 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 there you go. There you go, there you go. Downhill ultimately proved to be pretty shit. So we're gonna make the climb.
It's of a flop.
Yeah, we're gonna make the climb uphill. We've come across a homeless man's hut.
Yeah, man.
This is literally 100% a homeless man's hut.
Yeah, I reckon that could be a strategy, no?
Yeah?
Yeah.
In the homeless house?
Yeah.
Let's do it. You gotta shoot the video somewhere. Let me just show them this homeless hut. To be honest, he's actually kind of killing the game. Whoa. Kicking his jacket. He was probably coming back for that.
So what on the setup today, we basically got a little red light as our sort of like fill light, and then we got the yellow light as the backlight. We got a little orange combo going on, and with this big boy key light.
Killing it, absolutely killing it. Ready to get this shot in. We had to settle a little bit, right? Yeah.
Little stumble down the woods.
Exactly, stumbled down the woods and we had to settle for it, but I think this is pretty good.
Yeah, I reckon it's pretty solid. Live my past no more, no way. I don't wanna look back at these memories. I just wish I could take back all I did. Then maybe one day I can forgive nightmares. Whoa, I don't wanna see you, no, you nightmares. Whoa, I believe you can go.
Yeah, shoot's done and dusted. Leo's on the weed. Can't keep Leo out of the weed, man. Honestly, still in the woods. It's midnight. Actually, it's nearly 1 a.m. Can't keep Leo out the weed. There he goes coughing again. Off what?
Off some fucking marijuana.
Back in town. Tired. Shoot's done and dusted. Time to head home. Let's go. Peace, Leo. Rolling home.
Fucking getting in the wet.
Jumping in. Boom, done and dusted. Walking back into the house, it's 1 a.m. Shoot went longer than I thought, but actually I should keep my voice down. I'm back home. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.